The easiest way to close apps on your Android tablet is to open up the app switcher and then swipe up to close an app. If you're using the 3-button layout to control your tablet, you'll first tap the button that brings up all your open apps. You can then use the button on the bottom to close all apps at once, or you can pick any app you see and swipe up, which will close that app. If the app doesn't close, just make sure you're swiping far enough for the app window to move and then disappear. If you're using the swipe-based gestures on your tablet, you'll open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of your screen, and then sort of stopping the swipe when you're halfway up. That will bring up the recent apps, and again, you can close them all at once, or close your apps one by one. Some tablets also allow you to close apps directly from the taskbar, which is that little bar on the bottom of your screen showing your favorite apps. My Galaxy Tab doesn't support that, but on the tablets that do, you'll just long press an app and then choose Close or App Info. If you're using the windowed view, where your apps are in these little resizable windows, you can simply tap the X in the top right corner to close an app. There might be some cases where tapping the X only closes the window and not the app itself, but this varies depending on your tablet and the apps you're using. If the app doesn't show up in the recent apps after this, it's fully closed. And that's how you close apps. Remember that there usually isn't need to constantly turn off your apps, and Android is good at managing this automatically. Constant closing and relaunching an app will often consume more power than simply leaving the app running in the background. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.